Buddy. All right, it says I got 21 minutes and 29 seconds to go. I don't even need that much. So here's the thing. I just got off the phone with a landlord. Some months ago, I had reached out to a few landlords, and basically, it was just to check on them. I was trying to start a landlord network, and majority of them didn't reach back out, but some did, right? So the ones that did, these are ones I kind of talk to on a regular, kind of checking in, and they check back in. So there was one in particular that reached out to me. Uh, she hadn't contacted me back, but she said basically she was led to call me. She said she wanted to ask my advice about something. So apparently she's been going through it. I mean, going through it, and it just so happened I was calling landlords like the beginning or middle of COVID, um, when it first started, to check in on landlords. So she's been going through it, and then I was just telling her my idea about getting a network together. And so, and telling her this, she was so elated. She was so happy. She was basically just like, man, we need to get something like this going, please. I was like, yeah, exchange resources, vent, discuss issues, current things going on. And she was like an association, basically, if you will. And I was like, absolutely. And I said, I got dreams for this to go even farther. But I told her I ain't gonna overwhelm her. I'm just gonna give her that little bit. So, anyways, so excited. I'm at my hotel room currently, downtown, and celebrating my birthday or whatever. But when she called, it was like, oh yes, I'm already working on my goals. Yes, let's get it cracking. So look, I'm gonna show you a notebook. Put on my journal. I got a journal, basically. So I kind of wrote out some stuff. I don't know if you guys can see that. Anyways, I wrote out some stuff I'm gonna do, 3 goals I had set, and then I wrote out the text message that I want to send. It's today 9:12. I'm at the hotel, so I'm actually putting into effect what God is manifesting, and that's to get a landlord group started. So stay tuned.